Hi children, hi friends, welcome to Cam's Kalvi channel. இந்த வீடியோல 7th standard term 1 second lesson book back questions பார்க்க போறோம். Lesson name The Haunted Hill. Read and understand. A. Choose the most appropriate option. 1 pa. The word hurried and passed through the pines and deodars. Second one, the market was 3 miles away from the village. Third, Usha went to visit her aunt's house after shopping in the market. Fourth one, Usha took shelter in the rains. Fifth one, at dawn, the dash began to sing thrush. Next, think and answer. First one, why was it a struggle for the children to dry their clothes? It was a struggle for the children to dry their clothes because there was always a wind which blew away the clothes. Second, the story did grandfather tell them about the haunted hill. Grandfather told Usha and Suresh about the English people who lived on the hill 100 years ago. During a troubled storm, one of the houses was hit by a lightning and all the English people in it were killed, including the children, a brother and sister. Grandfather had seen the ghosts many times playing in the moonlight. Third one, what did Usha buy in the market? List them. Usha bought soap, matches, spices, sugar, a new pipe stem for grandfather's hookah, an exercise book and marbles for Suresh and a necklace for herself. Fourth one, what scared Usha during the dark rainy night? The black clouds, the howling wind, the heavy rain, sudden flash of lightning, the wild cat, the storm, the booming thunder, and the ghosts scared Usha during the dark rainy night. Fifth one, how did the children react when they met each other at the rains? When the children met each other at the rains, they fell into each other's arms. They were surprised and relieved, and all they could do was laugh and giggle and repeat each other's names. Next pa, unscramble the sound describing words from the text. One has been done for you. Moan, rumble, howl, boom, echo, groan. First one, choose the correct answer pa. A. Dash is someone who investigates a crime. Detective. A dash is someone who suffers the effect of a crime. Victim. Someone who might have committed a crime is a suspect. Dash is an idea or fact that helps us solve a mystery. Clue. And dash is an information we have that proves us that something is true. Evidence. Next, fill in the blanks with the past perfect tense. First one, when Usha looked out of the window, Dark clouds had gathered over the mountains. Second, she had no umbrella with her. The weather had seemed so fine just a few hours ago. Third one, all was dark again. Night had fallen. Fourth one, she ran towards the big gap in the wall through which she had entered. Fifth one, Usha looked back at the rains. The sun had come up and was touching the top of the walls. Next, J. Read these texts and fill in the blanks with future tense. Future tense use பண்ணோம். Inia moves to Chennai to join an IAS coaching class. Tomorrow, by this time, she would have joined the class. She will have to undergo training till next year. She would have worked very hard by the time she comes home. Her parents would be worried about her health all the time. They would have written many letters by the time she comes home. They will be very happy when Inia becomes an IAS officer. Children, உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.